faraway city, there lived a boy named Billy. Billy is a 5th grader in one of the best schools in the city. He loves playing video games so much. After class, he will just drop off all his school things and sit in front of his computer to play video games for a long time. The next thing he knew, he was so addicted to it that he loses interest in studying. Billy stays up late at night in playing video games, which made him to be late for school in the morning, that he misses some of his lessons and tests. Playing video games becomes Billy's life. One fine day, while Billy is in class, he felt that he really wanted to play video games. Suddenly, Billy pretended to feel sick and fake vomiting. This boy fakes being sick to skip class. This becomes Billy's escape for not attending class. He always lied of being sick until one day Billy's mom decided to send him to a hospital for a checkup. The doctors then found out that nothing is wrong with Billy and then that he is completely well. Mom found out about all the lies Billy is doing to escape class. So Mom decided to teach Billy a lesson. Mom and the doctors pretends to believe that Billy is really sick and needs medication. The doctor then prepare all the medical tools they will be using in Billy, especially a long syrup injection. When Billy saw this, he got so scared, cry out loud, "Stop! I'm just pretending to be sick. I lied. I'm so sorry that I lied. Please don't reject me. Please." Finally, Billy learned his lessons. As children of God, we are taught to always tell the truth because lying is the same as cheating. It will not do you good. You will just be getting a dose of your own medicine, just as we call karma. Just what happened to Billy. Moral lesson of the story: don't lie or cheat because cheaters will eventually get the consequences of their action. As what Doraemon always says, cheaters will never make it to the end. Thank you guys.